Welcome to this Windows channel, and this is a big announcement. Live shows are moving to a different day, and the reason why is because I have some work duties that I did not kind of see coming, and they happen quite regularly on Tuesdays. So today I am unable to do the live shows, but I don't want to, not do live shows. I don't want to have you guys waiting for live shows and not knowing if they're going to be there or not. And, I like to be quite regular in the schedules, as you probably have noticed over the time, over the years of doing live shows. So Thursdays will be the new day where I will do my tech show the same time. So it's 3 p.m. Eastern. This week will be 2000 hours UTC. 5 p.m. for the Windows Insider hour. That will be 2200 UTC. One little change, sorry guys, one little change. With this weekend, we're changing our clocks here in North America. So that means that next week, there will be a 1 hour shift for those that are in the UTC zone. So when I say 20 UTC, it will be, of course, 1900 hours UTC starting next week because of the time change. But hey, we are having our live shows and I want to have them every week. So Thursday is the new day for the live shows. Hope you enjoy.